Full sharing from Professor Tsujimura. Thank you very much. We have some question here. Perhaps one of the question is, can we consider the unsaturated thicknesses of the important issue of the hydrological quantities in managing the groundwater? And how can we indicate it practically?
Thank you very much for thank you very much. It's a very important and very interesting viewpoint or questions. Unsaturated zone locates or exists between the ground surface and groundwater table. So if it is thick, we need to consider more about unsaturated water movement. We call it soil water dynamics movement before the groundwater recharge. Okay, so that very interesting for me. In the area of the Kuala Lumpur, from the chemical viewpoint, the surface water chemistry is much different from the groundwaters, that of the groundwaters. So at the present stage, we understand non-direct interactions between the surface waters and groundwater in Kuala Lumpur area promoted. I guess more importantly, the groundwater flow itself from the recharge area, higher elevation to the lower areas. But actually, unsaturated water movement is very slow, much slower than the groundwater flow system, because the unsaturated zone, the pores of the soil include air and water. Therefore, the water movement flux or velocity relatively lower, slower as compared with that groundwater. Therefore, if the soil water contaminated once, that may cause very long time scale and serious issues. Therefore, in parallel with the groundwater flow system, we need to consider or investigate unsaturated zone water dynamics continuously from the ground surface, unsaturated zone, then groundwater level, especially in the recharge area. Thank you very much for your good questions.
Okay, I think we have more questions.